Intergalactic planetary, planetary, intergalactic, intergalactic, planetary, planetary, intergalactic, intergalactic.
Power's back, so we're pretty much back to normal. Everything is solid here. Fish tanks are up and running, back on power, no problems. My rocks are still good. Used to be fish. Nobody knows if there's really fish. Anyway, went driving around, not much damage to report. Power seems to be pretty much back almost everywhere around here. So either we're really lucky or it really wasn't that bad. Props to FP&L. You guys did get power back on pretty fast for anybody who did lose it. And if you still don't have power around here, sorry. They'll get to you real quick though. I can assure you that. So I'm just gonna go shuffle some cars around at the shop, see if Scumberto's around, and probably just hang out the rest of the day. This is gonna be like the transitional day, going back to normal, I think. I think tomorrow things will start to get back in the swing. As soon as all the gas stations get replenished again and people stop panicking about gas, it'll be good. Hopefully my scooter parts come too. So, FedEx, counting on you. Berto, we're back.
All right.
How'd you do in the hurricane?
Got a lot of video games out of the way.
Yeah? You had a outage?
Feeling pretty good about that.
No power outages?
No, I did for like 10 hours or something
Yeah?
like that, but it was not bad. I have a generator, so
Did you use that to play your video games?
yeah, believe it or not, we're from Florida, so this is all just kind of like
Part of the game.
part of the game.
Yeah. You know what else is part of the game?
Scooter parts.
Yes! Scooter parts. FedEx came through. They're the shit. Here's my scooter parts. This is a high performance alternator, if you want to call it. It's just a stator, but uses this little flywheel instead of the big one that's in there, and it still charges and does lighting and stuff, but smaller, lighter. This is basically the equivalent of doing like a lightweight flywheel in a car. So let's see how she does. I'm gonna try and put this shit in. There's a stock flywheel, and there's the aftermarket one. So you can see it's a lot smaller. All right, got the flywheel off. There's the factory flywheel, and here's the aftermarket one. It is considerably lighter and a lot smaller. So excited to get this thing on. And she's all on. So I'm gonna put my fan back on and fire it up. There she is, warmed up, ready to rock. You see, she revs up really fast. Super punchy. So that's a lot better. This thing, I mean, out of the hole, it's a monster. A little bit more power. You can feel it pulling the wheel off the ground. It does pull the wheel off the ground once in a while. Just it's like a hit or miss on whether or not the clutch grabs, the wheel comes up, the tire doesn't spin. It's pretty punchy. So pretty happy with it the way it is right now. I don't know, I'd like to race some other scooters or something just to get an idea of what I'm up against. I have my own scooters to go against. I might set up my drag strip just to see if it's performing on par with the blue scooter. So, pretty good upgrade. Revs a lot quicker. Top end hasn't changed at all. Once it's moving, it feels exactly the same. But that first initial hit where you get on it is instant. It gets on pipe immediately. So, if you got a scooter, get yourself a lightweight flywheel or alternator or whatever you want to call it. It works pretty good. There's a little bit better system called an inner rotor, which is even lighter, but a little more complicated, and I don't see too many that are actually doing charging. So I stuck with this one just because I know it charges and keeps the lights on. So that's it for now. I'll do some more riding with it, and I'll put some video up. Chris has been working. What'd you do?
Put some coilovers on, man.
Coilovers on the 4-door. Look at that.
Yeah. 1.5 hours.
BC Racing stuff?
Yeah, man.
What do you think?
I'm excited.
Looks good. Looks low.
It's good.
Need some wheels.
And then I'll go low. Whoa.
Yeah. All right. Well,
Fuck did I put my... Oh,
good job. Oh yeah. Oh, Oberto.
Yeah.
What'd you get, Oberto?
Well, looks like me and Haley got some goodies for the 33.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got. One hub.
Steering wheel. Wait, read the card. Who's it from?
Jesus.
Okay.
Jesus.
That's what my mom used to do to me when I was young.
Aha!
Every time I would get Christmas presents, read the card.
Shift
Tell
knob.
us who it's from first. Ooh, shift knob. Nice.
One fancy shift node.
That's the same as the 32, isn't it?
Yeah, I think they're all the same.
Yeah. No, 34 is different.
Is it?
Yeah.
Say the speed. That's the speed.
Yeah. Good try though. And
Some Nismo winglet things.
sick. Is that it?
That's it.
Good
Wreck and
job.
Drive Japan.
Congrats.
Thank you, Wreck and Drive Japan.
Shami, what you doing?
Fucking Roberto won't switch over to an iPhone, so he's got all these stupid Android
There's an iPhone one
cables.
there.
These are literally iPhone chargers. None
This
of those
is
are mine.
not an iPhone
There's
charger.
one. There
This is
was
not
one
an
there.
iPhone.
Okay, you know what? There's one in the back. Everybody, calm down.
Tell-
Calm down.
Hey
Tell
Jack,
Roberto.
what does everything you have use? What does your iPad use, or whatever the hell it's
Well,
called?
the new stuff uses
Do you get
USB.
reception in the shop?
USB-C.
Who's the person that does not get reception here? The Android user. How many times have we sent text messages?
He didn't say he wasn't saying anything about iPhones. He was just saying what was your take.
About this is all the time.
You've given him an avenue to talk shit now.
Like obviously the one with the problem is the one with the problem, and the only person that's here with the problem is this is a brown guy with a fancy shirt on.
I just feel like
Hey, Shamir, listen. Stop what you're thinking. There's an iPhone cable in the back.
no, I found one here. That's fine. See that? That's the good stuff. Android.
Well, now, don't you tell me to smile. You stick around and make it what you want. Let numbers be on what you get.
One of these. Front finger. That's it.